What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Have a Jailbreak tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I have a new beautiful tweak that you must download. This tweak will replace passcode button numbers with text and emojis as you see. The lock screen is home to the passcode enter interface, which you as the iPhone user will generally only ever see when your Face ID, Touch ID authentication fails, or when you fully reboot your device. Those looking to further customize the lock screen passcode enter interface may find enjoyment in this jailbreak tweak, as it lets you replace the numbers on the passcode enter interface's keypad with words or emojis of your choosing. It's a nice tweak. This tweak comes with a number of customization options, so now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra or Celio or whatever you are using. I will open Celio, go to the sources here and make sure to add Havoc repo. Of course, you will find the source below the video. After adding the repo, go to the search here and search for PassText, and as you see, this is the tweak. PassText tweak, as I said, designed to give your iPhone's lock screen passcode enter interface a new experience. It's customizable in terms of appearance. Now you can customize the lock screen passcode enter interface, since PassText only replaces the text string contents of each passcode key button. It doesn't functionality change the way your lock screen's passcode enter interface works. Instead, it merely changes how it looks. The locations of the passcode keys you use to enter your passcode remain the same, even if you can't tell which numbers you are tapping on anymore. This replaced the numbers on your passcode screen with custom text and add a unique and personal touch to your lock screen with ease. PassText offers a simple way to make your passcode screen truly yours by turning numbers into words. Okay, now just go ahead and install it. Hit install, press here, now hit confirm. I've already installed it. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do here is of course enable the tweak from here. Okay, so this is the tweak. It has two options to customize. I'm gonna quickly explain these options. So here you can change the font size, you can increase or decrease the text size on lock screen. Okay, here in custom passcodes you can replace the text with emojis or text. Okay, I will change the text quickly. Okay, once you're done, press respring to save and apply the changes. Okay, so this is the new passcode interface. PassText only replaces the text string contents of each passcode key button. It doesn't functionality change the way your lock screen's passcode entry interface works. This means it changes how it looks. The locations of the passcode keys you use to enter your passcode remain the same, so it only changed the text. It's funny way to trick your friends to think your passcode is correct but isn't. So this is the tweak. PassText is the free tweak allowing you to replace the numbers on your lock screen's passcode entry keypad buttons with text string or emojis of your choosing. Whether you are attempting to obfuscate your passcode button digits or add a level of user customization to your lock screen, I think this is a fun tweak for personalizing your device. Make sure to download and give this tweak a try. The repo is in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more jailbreak tweaks videos, and peace.